In this module we will work with the tools or commands to create metal sheets, which are located in the Create bar. In this class we will begin by studying the command face, which allows you to create flat plates from a closed geometry. We open a new file, choosing the custom style we created in the previous module and go to Class. First, we will draw a rectangle with the dimensions 200 by 120 mm. We close the sketch and activate the Face command, which will turn this profile into sheet metal. Just confirm the command. The face thickness created is 4 mm, as we defined in the previous module when configuring the sheet style. See, by activating the Sheet Metal Defaults command, the thickness of the sheet is shown. In the sequence we will insert a plane at a distance of 100 mm from the upper face of the created plate. In this plane we will make a new rectangle of dimensions 200 by 120 mm and position with a distance of 80 mm from the created profile. Let's align the geometry with the plate by activating the collinear constraint and selecting as shown. We close the sketch and turn on the Face command again. See that the profile is selected automatically. We click on Edges and select the front edge of the plate so that the two profiles are joined together. We can change the direction of creation of the plate with the option Offset. The bonding radius of the plates will be the same set to bend radius. Note that the Fix Edges option has been selected automatically. This option makes the profiles join using the shortest distance between the selected profiles, that is, it makes the union by means of a straight line. The option 45 degree makes the profiles join at an angle of 45 degrees. Note that the Flip Fixed Edges option changes the position of the fixed edge, reversing the direction of the sheet that is joining the profile. Let's leave the Fix Edges option selected and confirm the command. You see, we have our plate created, easily and quickly. We learned in this class how to create flat plate with the Face command of Autodesk Inventor. This command is very useful and widely used for creating the base profiles of sheet metal.